fine. Always bring me whiskey and wine. Breakfast in the morning and dinner at night. Everything she do just right. And when I say what you want me to do, she say there's one thing that I want from you. A little bit of rock, a little bit of roll, a little bit of rock, ooh, a little bit of roll, a little bit of rock, a little bit of roll.
There's a line over here, but the VIP is over here, and we're gonna see it. So people just chill here and hang out. Oh wow, this is amazing. Hello, how are you tonight?
Doing well, how are you?
Great. I don't know what to do.
In terms of...
Checking in.
You're checking in today?
Yes. Hi.
What's your last name?
Jordan just gave me water. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Another outfit by Madonna and by the Eagle. This is Jimi Hendrix, first New York punk rock band.
Downtown anywhere,
Cool elevator.
USA, Woodstock, baby. You can find yourself a hard rock cafe.
And now we're about to check out the room. Let's go in. Wow. I'm so excited to show you this place. When you enter, on the left of you is the bar, and we're gonna check out the bar right now. Actually, the minibar prices are not so bad. Well, this one would cost like $50. This one will cost $50. Good markup right there. Wine is like 35 bucks. This is $11. Pringles would cost $5. Maybe I'll have some later. And an emergency love kit. And this intimacy kit costs $28. Since COVID, I haven't seen a well-stocked refrigerator. And this is probably the first one I've seen. This is pretty cool over here. And the bar is pretty cool. There's a bit of a dust here, but it doesn't matter. It's night time. I'm kind of tired from filming all day. So best time to get unready with me. So let's go check it out. Let's check out the view before we go to bed, okay? These are easier to open than the other one. Wow, this is fun. Once I open this, I can hear everything, but once I close it tight, it's soundproof. Let's check out the bed. Let's get the day started. The corridor smells so good. Amazing. Wow. I like how they named it Woodstock. brought my bikini. What do I think about this hotel? The location is great.
I got a gal, she looked just fine. Always bring me whiskey and wine. Breakfast in the morning and dinner at night. Everything she do just right.
The service is amazing. Thank you. And the bed is luxurious. The only thing is they have too many switches. My only complaint is having to turn off so many switches. So many switches.
Looking swell, spinning around just like a carousel. Jitterbug boogie, swinging right, having a ball on Saturday night.
Thought I closed everything and that thing is still on. Holy smokes. I have to do this. And there's not enough stuff in the fitness room, which is understandable. Who works out during a holiday? I hope you enjoyed that video. Let me know in the comments if you have suggestions or stories you want to share. See you next time, and off I go.
Downtown anywhere.